everyone, this is Cindy with Cranny at the Heart, and I'm back with a Black Friday haul. I know I've been MIA, but I actually was really sick since the very beginning of November. I actually spent some time in the hospital. It was not COVID. It was something completely random. Dealing with a allergic reaction to antibiotics that kind of damaged my liver. So I was in the hospital. I'm recovering. It looks like my liver's going to recover, but it's a very slow recovery. So I spent all of November either in the hospital or laying down. So I didn't do any Christmas crafting this year at all. But I did do a lot of shopping. So I have upcoming hauls for Black Friday, and then random hauls of things that I had gotten that I just have not gotten a chance to share with you guys, but that I will be sharing in some future videos because that's what all I've got right now. So I've got all my Tailored Expression Black Friday stuff. So every day they had different specials. Some were a discount. I can't remember them all. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So they're like all over the place in terms of what I have to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So I did buy some of the cubes, mulled wine, Earl Grey sprinkles, pea pod, and blue corn. And I've got like a little bucket here to put this all in. One of the things that I really like is I really like their envelopes. And I've started not just putting my cards in plain envelopes, but using the colored ones. And they're really kind of fun. So I've got this color and then the red. Let's see what else I've got here. This was something else. Sorry, this was some other haul of something that I got. I'll put this over to the side. I also got these simple strips stacks. So if you've seen any of my other videos or have been on Tailored Expressions, they have a stamp that you stamp and then a die that you cut, and you get all kinds of different sentiments. But this matches perfectly with those, so I could go ahead and I could stamp a whole bunch of sentiments in different colors, cut them out, and then I have sentiments to go. So I'm trying to remember if I might have bought some more stuff like this. And then they give you a bunch of freebies. So I'll go over the freebies at the end. So I did buy some of those. And these were all different orders. So to even know when they came, they all came at different times. And I think I bought these stamps because I think it was 25% off their store. So there was some stuff in the birthday release that I did not get. I did get some stuff in the birthday release, which I will share with you in another video when I get to it. But I got the happy birthday stamp, and I got this just saying Christmas. I got this Little Critters Christmas with the dies, and happy birthday. This is a die. Have a holly jolly Christmas. This was a free with $100. The Winter Village background. And then I believe this stencil was kind of, I'm going to say it was part of maybe buying some of this other Happy Birthday stuff. I can't remember if I even picked this out or what. Not the stencil. I got this Bitty Borders and the die. And then I got, let's see. Sorry, stuff is all over the place. This pine bow background. I got the die somewhere. I have the stamp set, but I don't know where. It's around here somewhere. Okay, so then they had a special where if you bought certain things, they're doorbusters. Each day is a different one. You also got not only all the great yummy goodies, but you got a $25 gift card as well. So I did break down and buy the Tailored Expressions brushes. I do like the idea of them being color-coded. I kind of like that. So this was, I think, this whole bundle I'm going to show you guys was, I think, $62 plus a $25 gift card. And then the tool tray where the brushes fit right in. So kind of liked that. And then it also came with something that's going to go in my, I already have this. This is the masking stencil, the rainbow one. I already have this. So I'm going to put that with my other goodies. And got all kinds of stuff everywhere. Okay, so it also came with full-size pads of Cookie Monster, Cherry Pop, candy corn, lemon meringue, and Granny Smith. Okay, so that was like $62. The stencil I already have, so I'm going to be putting it with my, like, to sell. I'm going to do some sell bundles of stuff because I'm cleaning out my craft room once again. So now I'm going to go over all the little, like, freebie things that they give you. So I don't know if I got duplicates or if they're all different. So this one is a happy birthday with a cupcake. And then this one is a snowflake die. And then this one is, it's Santa with reindeer. So all of them are different so far, so that's kind of fun. I think they're all different this time. I've gotten it where I've had the same ones, which is, fine. And then this one is handmade holidays. So those are all the little freebies. Whenever you order from them, you get a little baggie, and it's got a little mini gift for you, which is really cute. So that is my first little thing I wanted to share with you guys of things that I bought while I was laying in my sick bed. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.